Hello friends, today we are going to see some problems on the coordination compounds. Now here is the first problem. The delta zero, that is octahedral crystal field splitting of CrH2O6 3 plus, CrF6 3 minus and CrCN6 3 minus follows the order. So options are given. The first thing is what? What is delta zero? See, delta zero is what? It is the crystal field splitting factor. It is the crystal field splitting factor. Now this delta zero is what? This delta zero is what? It varies in two different ways. It varies in two different ways. Now suppose when the ligands are what? Strong ligand. When the ligands are strong, then the octahedral splitting, 1 2 3, this is Eg, this is T2G. This gap is what? It is more. Delta zero is what? It is more when ligand is what? It is strong. So which ligands are strong? Cn, CO, NO plus. Okay, so these are what? The strong ligands. Okay. Now whereas in case of the weak ligand, whereas in case of weak ligand, this is Eg, this is T2G. Now this gap is what? Delta zero is what? It is less. Okay, so delta zero is less, so we have to see the crystal field splitting. So when delta zero is less, when the ligands are what? It is, they are what? The weak ligand. So water is there, then fluoride is what? It is the weak ligand. Now if we check H2 and F, so F is what? It is the weaker ligand as compared to what? My H2O. Okay, so how we are going to arrange the ligands in the increasing order of their strength? My Cn ligand is what? It is a very strong ligand. After that H2O is there, and after that my fluoride ligand is there. So this is what? My weakest, and this is what? My strong ligand, strongest. So as weak ligand is there, delta zero is less, that is splitting is less. Splitting is less. Whereas in this case, delta zero is more. So what we can say? That splitting is more. Splitting is more. Okay. So if we consider all these complexes, if I consider this complex, the Cr is what? It is +3 oxidation state. It is what? The +3 oxidation state. Okay. So everywhere chromium is having the +3 oxidation state. See here, CrH2O6 +3. So here it is what? It is the +3 oxidation state. Second, that is what? CrF6 -3, that means this one. Okay, we are talking about this complex. Okay, so again it is what? +3 oxidation state, and the next one is what? CrCN6 -3, again it is what? +3 oxidation state. So chromium is what? Everywhere it is in +3 oxidation state, but the splitting is what? This is what? My Cn, this is what? My strong ligand though. So the crystal field splitting, that is delta zero, is what? It is high. It is what? It is highest. Okay, so my the sequence is like this: CrCN6 -3 is greater than CrH2O6 +3, and CrF minus, this is what? My F6, okay, -3. Okay, so which is what? The correct option. So if we see C, and okay, there is nothing another option in which the strong ligand comes first. Okay, so C is what it is, what my correct option. So C is what my correct option. Now we'll move to the next question. My question is, the spin magnetic moment of cobalt H2O6 plus 2 is how much? Now if we consider CO H2O 6 plus 2, so this is what my complex. Okay, this is what my metal. Now this is what my weak neutral ligand. This is what my weak neutral ligand. Okay, now if I have to find out the oxidation state of cobalt, I don't know the oxidation state of cobalt. I'll keep it as what, X plus 6 water ligands are there, and each carries 0 charge, that is equal to what, plus 2. So oxidation state of cobalt is plus 2. So here cobalt Z is equal to what, 27 atomic number. So 4s2 3d7. So CO plus 2, that is equal to what, 4s0 3d7. Okay, so if I consider this one, 2, 3, this is what my T2J triplet degenerate, this is what my EG, and this is what my D7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 6, 7. So here the three orbitals, the two orbitals that has been left, the two orbitals that has been what, the left. Okay, now see here what exactly happened. There is nothing, this water is what, it is a weak ligand, so uh, it does not repel the electrons in the d orbital. Okay, so that means it contains the three uh, unpaired electron. Number of unpaired electron is 3, and as the number of unpaired electron is 3, we are going to use the formula mu effective is equal to what, under root of n into n plus 2 bm. Okay, so if my n is equal to 3, number of unpaired electron is 3, so mu effective is what, it is 3.9 bm. So this is what my correct answer. So mu is what, it is 3.97 bm. Okay, now moving to the next question. The next question is the quantity of cobalt. So this is what my ore given. So cobalt ore is given here. Cobalt ore, that is what, CO3 ASO4 twice H2O. Now this is what my cobalt given, and they have asked that 1 kg of cobalt that has been obtained from how much quantity of this cobalt ore. Okay. Now first of all, atomic weight of each element which has been involved in the cobalt ore that has been given. So we have to find out its molecular weight. We have to find out molecular weight. So molecular weight of this cobalt, of this complex, can we find out? Cobalt 3. Okay, so 3 into atomic weight of cobalt is what, it is 59, so it comes out to be 177. Then the next one is what, ASO4 twice, so ultimately what it comes, 75 plus 4 into 16 twice, so ultimately it comes out to be 278. Okay, and the next one is water. So water is what, 2 hydrogen, each carries 1 atomic weight, plus 16, so that comes out to be 18. Now we have to make the summation of this one, 177 plus 278 plus 18, that comes out to be 473. That comes out to be 473. Okay, now see what exactly happened. the ore which has the molecular mass, that is what, 473. When I'll take this kg of ore, when I'll take this kg of ore, right, when I'll take this kg of ore, how much cobalt that I have extracted? It is what, 177 kg, 177 kg. ओके, यानी कि इतना 473 केजी जो कोबाल्ट ओर है उसमें इतना केजी प्रेजेंट कौन है? कोबाल्ट प्रेजेंट है. सो डेफिनेटली व्हाट आई कैन से दैट, सो 1 kg of cobalt can be extracted from how much gram of cobalt ore? So if it is assume it as what, x, so this is 473 into 1 is equal to what, 177 into x. So x is equal to what, 473 divided by 177. So that comes out to be, it comes out to be near about 2.6. Okay, 2.6. So 2.6 kg is what, it is what my correct answer. So 2.6 kg is what my correct answer. Okay. Okay, thank you friends.